to document taking our kitchen apart and putting it back together, I guess is how you'd word it. So here's my kitchen. Bubba's cutting contact paper for each of the drawers. Good job, Bubba Jones. Here's our boxes on every wall. Random furniture out here for now because I haven't styled that. More boxes. Here's our little coffee corner. Here's our, oh, that's my Prosecco. Toaster and microwave on top of my beautiful little hutch. Here's our chandelier that hasn't been hung yet.
Can we have a
Here's
5-minute
more.
break?
Yes.
Okay. Hey Daddy, can I please have your knife?
Bubba has it. He's using it right now.
Here's
So
going
don't ask him for it.
upstairs. Half put together
ask him
chairs
for it.
outside. 3 are put together. The girls are gonna use this box. Oh. Here is our TV room that will be super cool one day. That's me organizing one space. But most of our spaces look like this. Thrown together. Here we go. There's our extra bar stool that didn't fit. We're gonna keep for an extra once we destroy one. Here's how my stairs look. Dirty, covered in sawdust. Here's all my laundry, because you know, real life goes on top of a move. Laundry. Laundry room. There's pillows and leftover accessories that I have no clue where to put. Here's the girls making their beds, quote unquote, making her beds. Please.
Hey, no, we're doing the thing.
I've asked Caroline to go through this box for 3 days. It's just laying in the hallway. Here's her room. Here is my master bedroom. Oh, this was like trash that we started to take out earlier and then got sidetracked. A little bit of order in the master bedroom. And then here is my master closet project waiting for me. So, here's my life right now. Boxes, extra shoes, things everywhere, just waiting for order. I know one day all of this we will look back on, and all of this hard work is going to lead to an amazing home and property. But whoa, is it overwhelming right now. And we can't seem to finish one project. So I walk out every morning and see something like this.
Which knife did you pick?
Oh, let's go to the front of the house.
That's a good one. You might want to use
This is what the front of the house looks like. Here's Gigi and Papa's room. Here's the entry, more boxes. Yep. When you walk in here, which I showed you at the beginning, we're always working on one random cabinet, or there's a fireplace that's completely demoed, waiting on tile and a mantle. Whew, moving ain't easy. I know it's gonna be worth it, but good Lord, my mind needs some order.